Hello, this is our 4th episode, and today we will be making hummus. This recipe has been given to us by my dad's friend, Dean. For the hummus, we will need 1 can of chickpeas, half a cup of tahini, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, cumin to taste. Okay, so now we are going to pour all of our hummus ingredients into the food processor. I'm not saying food blender this time. Okay, so this is where you will need help from a grown-up. So when it's finished, it should look something like this. And now for my favorite part, the taste test. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and support me by smashing that like button and totally knocking out that subscribe button. I will meet you back on my island.